Hello everyone, welcome to LKP Dhann ki Baat. My name is Rupak. I am Senior Technical Analyst at LKP Securities Limited. So this is a show where we discuss about the major indices and few stocks. Starting with the Nifty, we have opened the daily chart of Nifty, and on this chart we can see that Nifty has fallen below its major short-term moving averages. Like we have plotted 21 EMA as well as 50 EMA, and the Nifty is remaining below both the moving averages. Also, during the last few days, Nifty has been correcting, like there was a rate hike by RBA governor, and there was some negative news coming from the global markets. So Nifty corrected during the week, and the sentiment still remains a bit negative. Nifty has already filled these two gaps during the week, and the momentum indicator RSI is in bearish crossover. So overall the trend is negative. The momentum is negative. So we have a belief that Nifty is likely to remain a bit sideways. However, if Nifty can manage to sustain above 16,200 over the short term, we will be seeing some rally towards 16,400. Once again, if Nifty can manage to move beyond 16,400 over the short term, then Nifty may rally towards the higher levels like 16,600, 16,700 can be seen over the short term. On the lower end, however, if Nifty falls below 16,200, then a correction towards 15,800 will be possible. Bank Nifty. Uh, Bank Nifty has fallen below its recent consolidation. There was a consolidation of 3 days, then it fell down below the consolidation, and now it is going to move towards the previous low of 34,100 and 34,000 is likely to be seen over the short to near term. The trend is negative because the bank Nifty is remaining below its 21 EMA as well as 50 EMA. The trend is negative definitely, and the momentum indicator is also indicating a bearish momentum for the near term. So overall, on the lower end, 34,000 can be seen over the medium term. If 34,000 is broken, then further serious correction is expected. On the higher end, however, 35,000 are the crucial resistance for Bank Nifty for the near term. Among the sectoral indices, Nifty Financial Services Index has fallen below its recent consolidation and is having a bearish momentum. The trend is bearish as the index is remaining below. The short-term moving average is 21 EMA and 50 EMA are in bearish crossover. So overall sentiment is bearish to take the index towards 15,400 kind of level over the short term. Even further correction is also looks possible from here. So overall, on the higher end, the resistance is seen at 16,100 kind of level. If this index can move beyond 16,100, then we will be seeing some rally towards 16,400 over the near term. So overall, bearish. The only case when this index can move beyond 16,100, we will be seeing some rally towards 16,400. Nifty auto index. The auto index has been strong for the last few weeks, and currently the RSI is in bearish crossover. However, the pattern says that the pattern as well as because the index is trading above, remaining above its previous swing high. Also, the moving averages are in bullish crossover, and the index is staying above the moving short-term moving averages. So we are bullish in the sector as long as the index stays above 11,000 on the lower end. Whereas on the higher end, 11,750, 12,000 is a level where index can approach over the short term. Now Nifty Metal Index has found resistance and has fallen to lower levels. On the lower end now, the metal index can move down towards 5,000 over the near term, whereas on the higher end, 5460 is going to be a very crucial resistance. Once Nifty metal moves above 5460, then it will be moving higher towards 5700. Till then, the space is likely to remain soft and selling pressure may be witnessed in the space. The first stock we would like to discuss in today's Dhann Ki Baat is TVS Motor. The stock has given a inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout on the uh, daily chart, and currently the stock is trading above 50 as well as 21 EMA. The stock is trading above its previous swing close, and also it is trading above previous swing high, and the 50 EMA and 21 EMA are in bullish crossover, which indicates positive sentiment going forward. The RSI is in bullish crossover. So overall, we are thinking that the stock momentum and trend is likely to continue, which can take the stock towards 840 over the short term. Whereas on the lower end, there is a support. This is a support. There is a support at 730 kind of level below which stock can lose its current trend and current momentum and may fall into a sideways movement. So 730 is a level which to be kept as a support. This is a chart of ONGC. If you look the weekly chart, the stock has given a downwards consolidation breakout on the weekly chart. Also, the stock has moved above 21 EMA of on weekly time frame. So the stock is looking very bullish over the short to medium term. On the higher end, the stock can reach towards 180 kind of level. Even higher level is also looks possible from the current perspective. Also, on the lower end, the stock has a very strong support at 150. One can definitely go for long in the stock when he gets a dip. On the lower end, the stop loss can be placed below 150. The last stock for the day is NOSIL. NOSIL has moved above its recent consolidation on the weekly chart as well. Also, the stock has moved above its major short-term moving averages, and the 21 EMA and 50 EMA are in bullish crossover. So overall, the stock is looking very bullish. The weekly RSI is in bullish crossover, indicating bullish momentum for the short term. So on the higher end, the stock can reach towards 300 level, whereas on the lower end, there is a support of 250. If 250 is broken, then the stock is likely to fall into a sideways pattern. Otherwise, the stock is looking very bullish to reach 300 over the short term. That's it for this week. Thank you for watching.